A real house. Under 25 grand. No mortgage, no contractor. Amazon and Walmart are quietly selling them right now. I tracked down the 12 cheapest. Let's walk through every single one. Here's the deal before we start climbing. I'm ordering these from cheapest to most expensive because the price barely moves, but what you get for it changes dramatically. The first one costs less than a used Honda Civic. The last one has a working bathroom, and somewhere in the middle, the whole idea of affordable housing starts to feel a little less impossible. Let's go. Number 12. Sherry Industrial Mobile. Expandable prefab house, $14,999. We're opening with the cheapest thing on this entire list, and honestly, it sets a strange tone for everything after it. This is the Sherry Industrial 15 by 20 foot expandable house, and the pitch is simple. It ships folded, and it unfolds into a 300 square foot space in a few hours. Not weeks, hours. It rides in on a stainless steel frame with a flame-retardant insulated roof, and the spec sheet claims it holds up to 70-mile-per-hour winds, and snow loads up to 6.6 feet, which is a genuinely serious number for something at this price. Assembled, it measures roughly 199 by 235 by 100 inches, and weighs a hefty 5,842 pounds. So it arrives on a flatbed, and you'll need a forklift to unload it. There's a lockable door, a finished interior, and enough room to use it as a tiny home, a mobile office, or a backup studio. One catch, and you'll hear this a lot today, the electrical wiring isn't included, so a licensed electrician has to bring it up to US code. For 15 grand though, that's the cheapest 4 walls and a roof on the entire internet. Number 11. Prefab Mobile Modular Cabin, 118 square feet, $17,616. Now, we shrink the footprint but upgrade the vibe. This is a 118 square foot modular cabin, roughly 13 by 10 by 9.5 feet. And it's built for people who want something that looks less like a shipping container and more like a glass garden pod. The frame is heavy-duty steel, and the standout feature is the large panoramic glass front that floods the inside with light. The kind of thing that photographs well on an Airbnb listing. And speaking of listings, that's exactly who this is for. Backyard offices, guest houses, pop-up cafes, or a little vacation rental in your side yard. Here's the part that separates it from cheaper units. The electrical system comes pre-installed and wired to UL, CE, and NEC standards. So a local electrician just connects it instead of building it from scratch. The sloped walls run 104 to 112 inches. So even the ceilings feel generous for something this small. It's compact, it's bright, and it fits in most gardens without a fight. Number 10. Customizable Prefab. Mobile Modular Cabin, 118 square feet, $17,663. If the last one felt familiar, this is its slightly more flexible twin, coming in just $47 higher. Same 118 square foot pod, same steel structure, same panoramic glass. But the whole selling point here is customization. You can adjust sizes and specs, and it ships flat-packed inside a reinforced wooden and iron frame specifically to protect that glass and aluminum shell during long-distance ocean transport. That's a small detail, but it matters, because a cracked panel on delivery ruins the whole fantasy. Like its sibling, the wiring meets US and EU electrical codes, so you're not paying an electrician to reinvent the wheel. It leans hard into that outdoor solarium feeling. Bright, weatherproof, and comfortable from day to night through every season. Think of it as the base model with the options menu unlocked. Number 9. Prefab Modular Steel Container, 118 square feet, $17,699. Third 118 square foot pod in a row, and I promise there's a reason. This is the sweet spot of the market, and this one rounds it out at $17,699. The framing story is the same: heavy-duty steel, prefabricated in a controlled factory, portable and easy to relocate with no complex construction. Where it stakes its claim is comfort and commerce. It's marketed as an insulated, weatherproof sunroom. You can drop a sofa, a dining set, or even a hot tub into, but it's equally happy as a cafe unit, a kiosk, a booth, or a shop space at a campus or scenic spot. The panoramic glass and solid frame make it feel like an indoor room that just happens to live outside. And crucially, the wiring and interior lighting come pre-installed. If the previous two were built for backyards, this one's quietly built to make you money. Number 8. Modular Space. Capsule Cabin. $18,068. Now we change shape entirely. This is the Space Capsule Cabin, and it's the first unit on the list that's really selling a look, that rounded, futuristic resort pod silhouette you've seen at glamping sites. Underneath the styling, it's a reinforced metal structure with high-quality composite panels built for long-term use in varied climates. The real story is flexibility. Size, layout, interior configuration, and exterior design are all customizable, so it can flip between a residential unit, a hotel room, an office, or a commercial space depending on what you need. Inside, it's designed to integrate lighting, ventilation, insulation, and even optional smart systems, so it's not just a pretty shell. The modular build means it transports easily and assembles fast, which is why the listing pushes it hard for resorts, homestays, and tourism projects that want to scale. If your goal is short-term rentals with a wow factor, this is where the list starts getting interesting. Number 7. Durayou 15 by 20 feet. Expandable Prefab. Tiny house, 302 square feet, $18,180. Here's where we jump way up in usable space without jumping up in price. The Durayou 15 by 20 gives you 302 square feet of open, honest floor area for $18,180, more than double most of what we've seen so far. It's built on a Q235 galvanized steel frame with 2-inch fire-resistant EPS composite panels for the walls and roof, so insulation and weather protection are baked in. The foldable, modular design means fast setup and easy relocation, and it comes with the practical stuff. Anti-slip easy PVC flooring, multiple aluminum windows for natural light, plus a rain awning, steps, and an adjustable base. Now, the honest part. There are no bedrooms, no bathroom, no plumbing, and no pre-wired electrical. And that's the point. It's a blank, open shell for a backyard office, workshop, studio, or serious storage, wired later by a licensed electrician. It ships flatbed and needs a forklift or crane, but for the square footage, it's one of the best deals here. Number 6. Portable Expandable Modular Container, 320 square feet, $18,919. Just under 19 grand, and we cross into the biggest footprint yet, 320 square feet. This is a portable, expandable steel container designed around one idea. Fold it small for transport, pop it big for use. Strong steel frame, weather-resistant exterior panels, and wide glass panels that keep it from feeling like a metal box. Now, I want to be straight with you because the best practices I follow say don't oversell. This one is specifically marketed for non-residential use. So, we're talking office setups, equipment storage, pop-up workspaces, site units, studios, and backyard utility structures, not a place to legally sleep. But if you're a small business owner or a maker who needs a lot of secure, modern, expandable square footage that you can move when the lease changes, 320 feet for under $19,000 is a lot of room for the money. Number 5, Eco Housemart. 40-foot wooden dome frame kit, $19,950. This is the wild card of the entire list, and I saved a warning for it. For $19,950, you get a 40-foot wooden dome frame kit that encloses roughly 1,710 square feet. By far the largest interior here, and it's not even close. But read the fine print with me, because this matters. This is a structural frame only. You get precision manufactured timber components that assemble into a clear span dome skeleton on a foundation you've already prepared. Roofing, insulation, windows, doors, utilities, permits, and interior finishes, none of it is included. So, this isn't a house you unfold. It's the bones of a house you finish. That's why it's aimed at builders and experienced installers dreaming up studios, workshops, cabins, or creative spaces. The upside is a genuinely enormous open architectural volume with no interior columns. The catch is, you're signing up for a real project, not a weekend delivery. Know which one you want before you click buy. Number 4. Expandable Modular Office Cabin, 400 square feet, $22,999. Back to something that arrives ready to work. This is the Expandable Modular Office Cabin, advertised at 400 square feet for $22,999, and it's engineered around the same folding trick. It ships compact and deploys fast into a wide, roughly 20-foot workspace. The frame is galvanized steel, the panels are insulated, and the front is dominated by expansive panoramic glass doors and windows that pull in a genuinely surprising amount of light. The whole design leans professional: construction site offices, project management hubs, creative studios, or secure storage, all wrapped in a sleek modern exterior that doesn't scream temporary. Weather-resistant construction means it's built to sit outside year-round. It's more expensive than the raw shells earlier on the list, but you're paying for the polish and the fast, hassle-free deployment. If you need an office that looks the part the day it lands, this is it. Number 3. Movable prefabricated space pod, $23,299. We're into the top 3, and this one circles back to lifestyle. The movable prefabricated space pod at $23,299 is pitched as a full outdoor living room. Drop in sofas, a dining set, a TV, even a hot tub, and use it exactly like an indoor space. It rides on a heavy-duty steel frame with weather-resistant panels and high ceilings that keep the interior feeling open and bright. Like the better pods earlier, the electrical system comes pre-installed to UL, CE, and NEC standards, so hookup is straightforward. It's flexible enough to flip between a backyard office, an art studio, a guest room, or that outdoor entertaining space, and its footprint is sized to fit most gardens. It's essentially the premium, comfort-first version of the little glass pods we started with. Bigger budget, bigger lifestyle promise. And it's the last unit on our list that still sneaks in under the $25,000 line. A quick, honest confession before the finale. So here's the thing about that title. The last 2 on this list technically break the $25,000 rule, by a little. I could have cut them to keep the number clean. But once you see what they actually give you, you'll understand why they earned a spot anyway. Consider it the fine print I'm not going to hide. Number 2, well done. One Home Kits, Ocean View. Small space, $25,895. At $25,895, this is the most all-American entry here. A well-done One Home Kit called the Ocean View. And it's a completely different philosophy from everything else. Instead of a folding steel box from overseas, this is a genuine DIY build kit shipped from a US seller with a cold-formed steel frame that won't rot, warp, or burn. You get a 96 square foot footprint plus a rooftop deck. And here's the clever part. Because it sits under 100 square feet, in many areas it falls below the threshold that requires a building permit. Always confirm with your local planning office, but that's a real advantage. The kit includes primed hardy board siding, a sliding glass patio door, 2 energy-efficient windows with screens, roofing, insulation, and a 50-year warranty on the steel framing. But this is hands-on. You'll make some cuts, pour a 4-inch concrete slab foundation, and handle interior finishes, electrical, and roof access yourself. It's the she shed, home office, or backyard workshop for people who actually enjoy building the thing. Number 1, Durayou 19 by 20 feet. Expandable Prefab. Tiny home, 409 square feet, $27,200. And the payoff, the reason this whole list has been building. The Durayou 19 by 20 at $27,200. Yes, it's the most expensive here. It's also the only one that's a genuine, complete, move-in ready home. Inside 409 square feet, you get an actual bedroom, an actual bathroom, and an L-shaped kitchen. The 3 rooms every other unit on this list was missing. It's built on a Q235 galvanized steel frame with fire-resistant EPS insulated panels for real weather and fire protection. And the finished details are what sell it. A dual-head rain shower, a toilet, a wash basin, a mirror cabinet, a double-sink kitchen setup, and anti-slip PVC flooring throughout. The foldable design still lets it deploy fast and relocate without major construction, making it a legitimate backyard ADU, guest suite, or mobile living space. You'll need a licensed electrician for the wiring, a level foundation, and a crane or forklift to set it down. But out of all 12, this is the one where you close the door, run the shower, and it stops being a structure and starts being a home. That's why it's number 1. So there they are, 12 prefab homes, from a $15,000 pop-up shell to a full 409 square foot house with a working bathroom. But here's the part almost nobody tells you. Every single one of these can become a very expensive paperweight if you skip the one step that happens before delivery. Getting the foundation, the permits, and the zoning right is the difference between a dream backyard home and a fine from the county. So, before you spend $1 on any of these, go watch this next video where I break down exactly what foundation and permits you need to set one of these up legally. So, the house you just bought doesn't become the mistake you can't undo. I'll see you over there.